If you're over 65, what's your chance of death with or without an approved vaccine? Answer: less than 1% from taking the COVID-19 vaccine versus greater than 4.5% without taking one. Fact check us yourself.
Hello, my name is Ted Allen, the president of FactSpread. You've just seen one of the ads in our project using innovative analytics on 2 levels to increase vaccination rates with co-authors Antor, Rashid, and Wang. In summary, we used graphs and shared them with millions of Americans and created a system which we call double analytics. It's double analytics simply because we do analysis of our ad campaigns and in our targeting, and the message itself is analytics. So that means the end user is being treated as an important decision maker, as they are, and supported in their choice of vaccination. We will argue that our campaigns save between 2,000 and 23,000 lives at a cost of $66 per life or as low as $4 per life. We determine this impact using the well-known causal impact analysis. If 2.9 million people were vaccinated and 124 lives per person was saved, that's 23,000 lives. If we spent $100,000, then that's $4 per life, making innovative ad campaigns or double analytics one of the most effective and efficient charities possible. As background, consider that over 312,000 people are dead in the United States because of COVID and misinformation. That means that the information ecosystem is key. Our goals were to save lives, but also to improve the internet literacy of the American public, as well as prove that double analytics can be a key tool. Our board members are shown here. Our methods and key personnel are shown in this slide. You can see the timeline that we used, which took about 6 months from initial conception to the completion of the last ad campaign. Our plan had many phases and was intended to double check that we were not doing harm to different groups, as hypothetically, in our analysis, as we'll discuss, there is the potential to have a negative impact. Our process involved initial regression analysis and p-values, clustering, also survey results, and clustering of counties optimally or near optimally, optimal design of experiments to test different messages on different clusters of approximately the same size, sharing information to different groups in different ways with keywords and addressing demographic issues, and the impact at the end. The impact analysis using causal impact theory as well as simple inspection of the short-term impacts. Different scenarios about our impacts were considered, and our conclusion is that millions of people were convinced to become vaccinated and that we had huge spillover effects. Unfortunately, our second campaign was less effective, affecting only significantly Idaho. In conclusion, we believe that we saved 23,000 lives for around $0.1 million. That means our effects are many orders of magnitude larger than our expenses. We verified that double analytics can work, that treating the end user just like we would treat many other analytic stakeholders is an important activity. Of course, our second set of campaigns were less well designed. We had only one significant effect, but yet our initial set of campaigns during our experiment likely saved lives at approximately $4 per human life. Thank you.
Why is it difficult to make a vaccine for a new virus like COVID-19? The vaccine must be shown to work safely and handle mutations and fading immunity. Even partial success could lose public confidence. Fact check yourself.